why Web3 matters to you, and how to position yourself early. I hope you are really enjoying your lessons. Today, I will walk you through how Web3 liberated us. We are not late, but we are not early for long. There is a shift happening in the world right now, and for the first time in history, Africa is not behind. The question is, will you position yourself or will you watch others take the opportunity? Every major wealth transfer in history was recognized early by a few people. The internet created millionaires. Social media created influencers. Cryptocurrency created new financial systems. Now we are in the era of Web3, and Web3 is not just about technology, it is about ownership. Web3 matters to you because you can earn without a traditional bank. You can grow without a gatekeeper. You can build without permission. With just a smartphone, internet connection, and the right community, you can become part of the global digital economy. For years, some countries were called developing countries, but in Web3, they are not disadvantaged. Because this system does not ask for your nationality, your background, your connections. It only responds to your knowledge, your positioning, and your consistency. The people who benefit the most are not the people who start when everyone understands. They are the people who start when people are still confused. This is called early positioning, and early positioning changes your income, your influence, and your impact. This is why you don't just need information, you need a system, because information without structure leads to frustration. That is why Creative Time Center, CTC, exists to give you education, a growth path, a rewarding ecosystem, and leadership opportunity. Here, you are not just learning Web3, you are becoming a stakeholder in the future. You are not too small. You are not too late. You are not too young. And you are not too old. This is a knowledge economy. And the moment you decide to learn, you have started winning. Your assignment is to make a personal decision. I will not observe the digital economy. I will be part of it. Position yourself in the community, start your learning journey, stay consistent. In the next video, we will go deeper into the foundation of Web3 blockchain. This is your time. This is your season to position early.